I shout out my Bengalis on that. Trust me. Bangladesh. No pressure in that. We've not got what? Bangladesh. I shout out my Bengalis on that. Trust me. Mad. I've been waiting. For so long to do this, bro. I don't know if you understand.
What's he saying? Out of 10. Out of 10.
What's he saying?
He's enjoying that. He's enjoying that.
Hey, look at him. Come on, guys.
Voila. It's spicy.
Yep.
It's got a nice sweetness with the sauce.
Yep.
Soft.
Yep.
Leng. Bro, I can't lie. The Okbat got me well still. And listen, first and foremost though, I gotta try the chips with the sauce though. It's a burger sauce, I'm guessing. Chipotle. Alright, say nothing. Now the sauce is length though, I can't lie. I got a flash in my face. Yeah, safe. That's a 9. That's a 9. Now big man ting. Hold on.
Breaking up, bro.